preparation for our new in preparation for our new internet service from our utility co-op. They're replacing another pole. They replaced the pole way down there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, right there between the two trucks. And today they're replacing this main pole. So we're gonna lose power for a little while. I'm gonna just shut down everything. So anyhow, high-speed internet is on its way at some point soon. They say within probably a year now. By next year, maybe this time next year. We were hoping this year, but what are you gonna do? So, anyhow, here we go. So it's all done now. You guys are leaving. Just took a couple hours to get that done. Not so bad. Next day we'll be running cable out here, and then at some point I guess we'll have the internet hookup to the house, but they're saying that'll be at least till the first quarter of next year. That's at the latest, I guess. So anyhow, that's it for this one. Short video.